What are we making today?
We have a Asian salad. And we're going to do some chicken with it. And so we have a chicken Asian style salad.
Awesome.
Okay, now we just seasoned the chicken up with some Lawry's seasoned salt and some garlic powder. And let this sit for a minute or two. Get the pan hot and start cooking the chicken after I wash my hands. We're using a chopped salad kit. It's an Asian style salad. Got all the good stuff in it. We've used it before. It tastes almost as good as our homemade stuff that we used to make.
So to make things simple while we're camping overlanding, all you need is the Asian chicken style kit and the fresh made chicken.
So if you're going to have a salad bowl,
I use
a
pot.
salad bowl.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Now that the chicken is starting to brown and just about finished, it's time to add the dressing to the salad. Don't want to add it too soon so it gets all soggy. Hot coat everything. Chicken is done. Turn that off. A mold. Nice serving of chicken. And a nice, fairly healthy, quick lunch. It didn't take too long, not too many dishes. This is our version of an Asian chicken salad while out camping. Good stuff.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, we would appreciate if you could click the like button and subscribe to our channel. As always, make the most of the dash.